Hey guys, happy new year. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new and you stumbled upon this video, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. So I wanted to create this quick look for people that like the no makeup look. And you know, it's a new year. We all have this New Year's resolution. A lot of us anyway have a New Year's resolution to get healthier, to look healthier, to lose weight. Some people want to gain weight. So right now everyone is at the gym. The gym is super packed. So I kind of wanted to do this makeup for people that enjoy wearing makeup or that like to wear makeup to the gym. I personally am not one of those people. Even though I don't sweat a lot, like it doesn't matter how long or intense the workout is, I don't really sweat like that. But there are people that just enjoy generally wearing makeup to the gym, and I feel like this can be one of those things if you're one of those people, because you know everyone is going to the gym right now, and hopefully we all stick on to our plan on being healthier and looking better. So this look is really simple. I used maybe 4 or 5 products to create this whole thing, maybe just to give you a healthy glowing skin, but also doesn't look like you have makeup on. This can also be something you put on right after you're done with working out. If you work out super early in the morning and you're on your way to work right after, like right after your shower at the gym, you could just put maybe a lip color on, because I just have lip balm on, and maybe liner, and you could call it a day. And this look was super easy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm starting with my quick fix from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to spray my face. I just finished washing my face. I have not moisturized. I kind of wanted to do like a mini, I don't want to say skin prep, but this is just what I do before I put makeup on. And while my face is still moist, I go ahead and add my Boscia Glotion. It's the Tsubaki Glotion, and I just really like this because it gives my skin like a natural glow. So I'm just putting this primer. I'm going to show you guys what it is in a second. In my T-zone area, and where I know I get obviously the most oil. And if you have really oily skin like me, this primer from Boscia is amazing. I keep looking over there because that's where my monitor viewfinder is. So what I'm gonna do now, this is always what I do when I go for these no makeup gym makeup. I don't wear makeup to the gym. So I either go on or go in with my Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil in the color Queen, and or maybe together. I use the City Color Highlighter Trio, and it's all beat up. I got this I think 2 years ago from IMAX, 2 or 3 years ago, and I really love it. The thing with this though is you have to use a little bit, because the tiniest bit goes a long way. So right now I'm just gonna put the tiniest amount on my skin, and you see how it gives me a flush of natural glow, and I just love that. Sometimes plenty of times I'll just go outside like this and just use clear brow gel and call it a day, but if you don't want this to look really crazy, make sure you use don't even use a dime size, because then that's just ridiculous. It's just a lot, and a little bit, like I said, goes a long way. And do it on my chin, so you guys can see it's already giving me like a nice glow. And now is where I get to correcting any blemishes I have on my skin and whatsoever like that. So I'm just going to really color correct. So now I'm going to go under my eyes with two concealers. I'm going to go in with the Shape Tape, and I'm going to go in with the NYX Gotcha Covered. I'm only going to use a tiny bit of the NYX one. Like, I'm just going to use a dot on top of this because I like the consistency and the thickness of this. This is also thick, but this is creamier than this color. Than this concealer, and I really love this concealer. The only downside to Shape Tape for me, I feel like they don't really have a lot of shade ranges. That's great for us darker chocolate women, and that is always a no for me. I don't know if you're new here, I'm just gonna do my little spiel. I don't shop brands that don't make complexion and meaning foundation for my skin tone. Luckily, Tarte, they just barely made it, especially in their Rainforest of the Sea, yeah, whatever it's called. But like I was saying, I don't typically shop brands that don't have foundation color for me. Like, I won't buy anything from them. And granted, I do get certain things for free, so I'll test it out, and if I like it, I'll use it. But to actually give the company my coins, I don't do that. And if I don't use it on myself, I just leave it in my kit and I use it on my clients. Now I'm going in with this powder, which is my skin color, and I'm just really going like that once, closing that, and I'm just gonna swirl just that amount of powder all over my face so it doesn't look lighter and discolored somewhere else. Like, I want the center of my face where I applied the concealer to still look nice, but I don't want it to look so harsh. To make my brows look a little decent. Like, if I were wearing makeup to the gym, this is just what I would do. This is why I'm doing this like this. This is just what I would wear. Just to tie my look together, I am going to use mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I feel like this is fine for me. This would be my no makeup makeup. You can use whatever you want on your lips. So here I have 3 options, and today I'm going to use the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel. Can y'all see that? That's what I'm going to use on my lips today. And when I tell you, this is so bomb, it is so good. And once I use setting spray, honestly, this is it for my face. But if you want, you can use a lip gloss. And when I don't use my my sugar lip caramel, I always go for the Fenty lip gloss, and it's the Fenty Glow, and or I go in with the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy, and I'm done. Like, it is done. There's nothing left in there. I mean, there's stuff left in there, and I dig my nail in there, but honestly, this is it. And let me just set my face. If you want, before I set my face, if you want an extra pal for your glow, you can add more highlighter. And I'm just gonna set my face. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't, and I will if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.